Hello everyone, I've had an idea for a project which I'm about to start working on, and it involves designing and making a bowl without a lathe. I thought it'd be an interesting project to open up to other people to see what sorts of ideas people come up with, and I'd like to try and create a playlist of all of the videos, and hopefully we can all help to promote each other's YouTube channels. You don't have to have an established YouTube channel if you want to take part, as long as you can make a simple video showing how you made your bowl and upload it to YouTube, then I can include you within the playlist. I've already contacted a few of my favourite YouTubers to ask if they would like to take part, and hopefully we can get some of the bigger channels involved in this too. This isn't a competition and there are no prizes, it's just for fun, it's just a way of sharing ideas and discovering new maker channels. To get involved, all you need to do is make a bowl without a lathe. Quite obvious, that one. You can use any materials you like and any tools you like, as long as it's not a lathe. Upload your video using the scheduled setting on YouTube and select your video to be published on Friday the 27th of July at 5 PM GMT. That's so that all of the challenge videos get published at exactly the same time, and that's when the playlist will be published too. Send me a link to your video on or before Thursday the 26th of July so that I can add your video link to the playlist, and include Bowl Without a Lathe Challenge in your video title. I'll post my own bowl project video at 5 PM on Friday the 27th of July too, and in the description box I'll include a link to the playlist and a link to all of the other videos featured in the challenge. I look forward to seeing your bowls. Thanks for watching.